Good afternoon, guys. We are here in Avon Park, Florida. Avon Park is located just a little bit north of Sebring, Florida. Highway 27 is to the west of where we're at right now. We are here at the Hotel Jacaranda, which you can see right there above my head. It was named for a 150-year-old jacaranda tree that had to be knocked down to make room for this building. This hotel has one of the oldest elevators in the state of Florida, if not the oldest. And it's also listed on the National Register of Historic Places, and it opened in 1926. Let's go inside and check it out, and let's go make some memories.
Aw. Wow, this is cute. Like a conference room. Oh, how cool.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we're all clean now.
Oh, okay.
All right, we're gonna go pig out now. I don't think you're all
Oh.
Oh no, I'm starving. Back on the door, right there. Okay.
Very neat. Look at all this stuff. It's definitely a different feel in here. It's nice. So this is that elevator that you were talking about. Cool. Oh. Jeez. Oh, that is so neat. That is so neat. This was built in 1925, opened in 1926. One of the oldest, if not the oldest, here in the state of Florida. Neat. That place, nice. I like this. That's nice too. Oh, that is nice. The citrus room it's called. How cute. Look at this, the little decoration area, how cute. This is good for events then and stuff. Oh, the pool's back there. I'm gonna sneak through. That's what I said, it's a nice... Oh, it's a nice pool too. Yeah. Nice looking pool out there. So it looks clean. Nice little patio area. So we're not actually guests here, but we heard about the elevator and that drew our attention here, and they have been nice enough to let us come take a peek at their lobby and their hotel. Let's go over here and see what the restroom and that rest of the bottom floor looks like. Oh wow, look how pretty. This is beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna have to go down there. Look how pretty this area is. Okay, this becomes like a store. Like a gift shop? No, it doesn't look like a gift shop. It looks like they have other stores that lead into the hotel or part of the hotel structure. South Florida State College Culinary Arts. So this area leads to other stores. The laundry. Huh. Employees only. There's even a gallery here. Whoa. One of their stores. Another one of the... Huh. So it's like they've used part of their building for... as other rental properties. And then they have their actual hotel on the other side. I know. It's nice.
Yeah, there's a sign that tells you what's here. Directory.
Oh, okay, that explains the directory. Yes, now I understand. That is pretty little. Okay. I love the detail here on this furniture. You know that this is like original to the place. It's just like very beautiful and unique pieces, which is hard to find nowadays. Unique, beautiful pieces. This is called the Palm Room. It's very, very nice for a small event. Well, not even that small, pretty big. Has a little dance floor. This is so, so nice. I like it. Antique elegance, I guess. Beautiful.
All right, guys, so we just finished touring the lobby here of the Hotel Jacaranda. We got to see the old elevator that they have here in the lobby. The staff that was here was very nice and let us look around, showed us a few of the rooms that they use for parties and banquets and stuff. Very cool hotel. It was like taking a step back into the past. All right, what did you guys think? Did you guys enjoy this hotel? I think that I might try and come back here and stay here at some point. Maybe me and the wife come down here and have a nice little stay for a weekend or something. Pretty cool. Yeah, and they say they decorate this place at Christmas time. And so maybe we all sneak down here at Christmas time and stay on a night. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, helps us a lot. Leave a comment below. Have you ever been through Avon Park? If so, would you consider staying here? I definitely would. This place is pretty cool. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to add you to our channel, to our family here. And thanks for watching. See you soon.